Hello everyone. In this video we'll study about pronouns. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. For example, my name is Zara. I am 10 years old. Here Zara is the name of a person, so it is a noun. Now it is written I am 10 years old. So who says this? Zara says I am 10 years old, means who is 10 years old? Zara. But in place of Zara, what is used here? I. So I is the pronoun here. Now the second example is Ronit likes to play. He likes to play football. In the first sentence, Ronit is the name of a person, so it is a noun. The second sentence says he likes to play football. Who likes to play football? He, means Ronit. Ronit likes to play football. But in place of Ronit, what is written here? He. So he is the pronoun which is used in the place of Ronit. There are several kinds of pronouns. Here we will study about personal pronouns. I, he, she, it, they, we, you, me, her, him, them, us. These all are pronouns. They are called personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to people or things already mentioned. They show the first person, the second person, and the third person. Now I'll tell you what the first person, second person, and third person are. The first person is the speaker of the sentence, means someone who says or speaks a sentence is said to be in the first person. For example, my name is Aman. I am teaching you. So who is saying this? I am saying, means I am the speaker of this sentence. So I is the first person pronoun. The second person is the listener of the sentence, means the person who is being spoken to. For example, you are intelligent students. So who is listening this? You are listening. So you is the second person pronoun. Now the third person is the person who is being spoken about, means apart from the first person and the second person, all pronouns are said to be in the third person. For example, he is a good player. So in this sentence, who is the person being spoken about? He. So he is the third person pronoun. Now the personal pronouns are of two kinds, subject pronoun and object pronoun. Subject is a person or thing who does the action in a sentence, and object is a person or thing to which or to what the action is done. So if a pronoun is the subject of the sentence, it is called subject pronoun. If a pronoun is the object of a sentence, then it is called object pronoun. Subject pronouns are used before the verb and object pronouns are used after the verb. You already know verb is a word which refers to the action which is done in a sentence. Now see the examples. The first is you are late. So who is late? You. Actually the answer of who in a sentence is the subject of that sentence. So who is late? You. So you is the subject of this sentence. So it is a subject pronoun. The second example is I can see you. So whom I can see or what I can see? I can see you. So the answer of whom or what in a sentence is called the object of that sentence. So whom I can see? I can see you. So you is the object pronoun here. Pronouns can be singular or plural. If it refers to one person or thing, then it is singular. If it refers to more than one person or thing, then it is plural. Now here is a table of personal pronouns with examples. For the first person singular number male or female, we use the subject pronoun I and the object pronoun me. For the second person singular number male or female, we use the subject pronoun you and the object pronoun also is you. For the third person singular number male, we use the subject pronoun he and the object pronoun him. The examples also are given. For the third person singular number female, we use the subject pronoun she and the object pronoun her. For neuter gender, we use the subject pronoun it and object pronoun also it. For the first person plural number male or female, we use the subject pronoun we and object pronoun us. For the second person plural number male or female, we use the subject pronoun and object pronoun you. Actually in the second person there is only one personal pronoun that is used and that is you. For the third person plural number male, female or neuter gender, we use the subject pronoun they and object pronoun them. For all gender, we use they in the subject pronoun or them as the object pronoun. So I hope you understood. Now here is a question for you. You have to choose the correct words from the brackets to complete the given sentences. The first is Deepa plays in the park, Dash goes to the park in the evening. So here you have to use the pronoun he or she. So if you see, who goes to the park in the evening? Deepa. Deepa is the noun and you have to use a pronoun in place of Deepa. Since Deepa is the name of a girl, so it is a female. So for female, what pronoun can we use here? It will be she. So she goes to the park in the evening. So answer of number 1 will be she. So like this you have to do. Now this is the end of the video. I hope you have learned something from it. Thanks for listening and God bless you all.